Now let us talk about the eligibility criteria of JK Lakshmipat University Management Entrance Exam. Candidate must have qualified their bachelor's degree with minimum 50% aggregate, 45% for reserved category from any recognized university or institute. Aspirants with valid scores in CAT, CMAT, MAT, XAT, ATMA are also eligible to apply. There is no age limit for appearing in the exam. Now let's talk about the exam pattern. The mode of exam is offline mode and the total questions are 100. 1 mark for each correct answer and there is no negative marking. The exam contains 5 sections: quantitative aptitude, verbal ability, logical reasoning, general awareness and decision making. For full syllabus, check the description in the description below. So if you value the content of our video, please like, share, subscribe to our channel.